Buongiorno! This is Filippo Bartolotta. What are we gonna do here today? We're gonna talk about how to make wine. Are you ready? Let's wine together. How do we make wine? It's very, very simple, as we do not actually make it. Wine is a natural product. Nature makes it happen. How? All you need is fruit. You can make wine with any fruit you want. But if you want to have the word wine on a bottle, you need grapes. You need lots and lots of beautiful grapes. And what's going to happen is this. When September comes, when it's time of the harvest, around each and every one of these berries, you'll be having an enormous amount of microorganisms, the yeasts, that are going to transform the sugar into alcohol. So what's going to happen is this. The sugars are up here, alcohol is down here, yeast eat the sugars, and at the end of the meal, after 2 weeks, you're going to have 50% of alcohol and the rest is CO2. So there you go, wine is made. Now, what makes wine really interesting and beautiful is human beings, of course, because you need to look after this incredible process. And I know, my friend, how much you care about calories, so how many calories are in a glass of wine? Well, actually, there is roughly 100 and 120-ish of calories in it. But what exactly is in there? Well, 13 to 15% usually is alcohol. There might be a little bit of sugar, like 2-3% if it's not a sweet wine. But the main ingredient is something that we all know really well, and that is water. So, wine is water, you saying? Well, yes, for the majority of it is water, with a lot of other good stuff. Minerals, antioxidants, we're gonna learn all about it in the next episodes. So, this is all from me. For now, arrivederci. Did you learn anything new today? If you have any questions, just ask. And of course, for more tips, tricks, and love, follow us on our social media and our wine classes. And enjoy it like a true Italiano.